Hey guys, in this video, I'm breaking down some amazing creative to help you scale your Meta ads account for your e-com brand. My name is Chris Marrano, founder of Blue Water Marketing, an agency that helps scale 7-figure stores to 8 figures and beyond. And in this video, I'm breaking down creative because that's what we do. We do paid media and retention to help scale. We do that with a financial understanding of the key metrics it takes from the bank account standpoint of a profit-first agency. And without further ado, I want to break down a psychology of marketing, which I think is becoming way more prevalent these days now that Meta is less of a targeted approach and more of a broad spectrum approach to advertising. So what you need to do is have the psychological understanding of how to sell something to somebody. And that proves to be super important. I see it across the board, and we at the time of this recording are in the thick of Black Friday, and it's the perfect time to show two different scenarios of marketing on Meta. The first one being the psychology of marketing. The second one being the psychology of having the best offer. So I want to break down using a tool that I absolutely love, no affiliate program whatsoever, just a tool that I advocate for. I think it's super valuable. Let's go into the creative strategy that's in line with scaling some of these brands. All right, so as you guys can see, like we're in Triatria. It's a phenomenal tool, no affiliate program. But what I want to do is look at the various types of creative here. Now, I'm going to integrate some Black Friday stuff because, like I said, this is the Tuesday of Black Friday week. But what I want to focus on first is like, all right, Gymshark. Everyone knows this brand. They are running a lifestyle ad with their logo. Level up in layers. Super simple. Gymshark is a huge brand. Everyone in this industry knows of Gymshark. They don't necessarily have to sell the psychology of their products because they've been established now. As we scroll down, Woofs is the perfect example of what I want to talk about. So as you guys can see, first of all, the copy, over 400 dog parents trust Woofs to help fight the silent killer of senior dogs, arthritis. So in the copy, we've established immediate social proof that 400,000 people have trusted this product. Then the static image, which is going to be the thing that actually stops the scroll, is talking about a silent killer of senior dogs. Now we've touched on an emotional pain point associated with senior dogs. I've had dogs. When they get old, it's the worst. We also know that old dogs have trouble getting up. So now we've pinpointed 400,000 people trust us, silent killer of senior dogs, arthritis. And then we move into the benefits on how this product solves this problem. So in doing that, now we go into the benefits. No artificial flavoring, no inflammatory ingredients, no fillers, and no seed oils. And we're offering a discount up to 50% off. So as you guys are going through and creating your Meta ads, I think it's so valuable to understand the problem that we are solving by your product. That's where things are going to be super important and where you will see the most amount of benefits. So let's keep going down a little bit. So now we have Shapermint, and I don't know this brand specifically. They are doing an offer, right? So now it's just perfect fit and unbeatable comfort awaits you, right? Very generic. But 40% off is the hook in this ad that drives the traffic. How about these ones? Hollow alpaca socks. Keep your feet warm and dry this fall and winter. So we have a seasonal product. We've identified that. Toes get cold easy. If you're a skier, hiker, snowshoer, if you are in the cold, you know that cold feet is the absolute worst. This immediately grabs my attention. Yes, when I'm in the cold, luckily not too often because I live in South Florida, now I'm interested. These socks sold out 3 times in 2022. So now we're also building the social proof that this isn't a scam. A bunch of these have sold out and they're offering a 30-day money-back guarantee and they are proudly made in the United States. Shop now, get up to 30% off. So again, going back to the psychology, what is the problem you're solving and who are you solving it for? The previous one, dogs. Old dogs who have arthritis, and they also show all the benefits that it has no fillers, no added chemicals, X, Y, and Z becomes super important. I want something healthy going into my dog. For socks, my toes Get cold easy when I'm in the cold. Okay, hooked me in. What is this? Now we've established made in the United States. It's sold out 3 times in 1 year, and there's a 30-day money back guarantee. Again, guys, I'm going back to the problem and the solution. Highlighting those in your creative is so important. The scroll stopper is the image, the copy is what sells. Another brand that I'm sure if you're in the D2C space, you know about is True Classic. All of their t-shirts, seasonal style that sells out every year is back. We just added urgency through 2 lines of copy. New fall drop, waffle, long sleeve, crew, basics that aren't boring. Back in stock, almost sold out. Again, so we're going back to urgency. These sell out every single time. They aren't boring, basic long sleeve shirts, and they have already almost sold out. Now, if you're in marketing, you know that's probably a lie, but who knows? So going back, guys, Atria is really helpful in that you can select all of these different themes. So I personally, right now, I'm loving the questions. I think question ads are working really well. I see them in our ad accounts and I see them in different people that I know. Tired of bloating? Try Rise. These guys are absolutely crushing in the space right now. Can't sleep? Yeah, I trouble sleeping. Okay, sleep magnesium. Sleep fast and deep with plant-based melatonin. Great. Okay. Dry, flaky, sensitive. Don't let this be your skin story. End the drought now. You are asking if the person has the problem that you solve. All right, so let's get into this one, right? The simple question, hungover. We all know that you can be hungover on a Saturday or Sunday morning scrolling through. Hungover? Yes. Okay, the new Mini Dew 2 is a 2-in-1 electrolytes mineral for hydration and brain function. Instantly dissolves into water, tastes like organic watermelon, 0 sugar. So again, hungover problem, solution off introducing a detailed overview of the product. This is the way you need to start thinking about advertising going into 2025. People are not dumb. Drop shipping is very challenging. Hopefully you are a brand owner and your product solves a problem or multiple problems. That's where the psychology comes in. Understanding who your target is. Maybe there's 3 of them. Generally, when we onboard a new client, we like to have 3 to 4 different angles, different personas we're going to be targeting because each of them has a different problem that this product solves. Understand the psychology of marketing when you are creating simple static ads. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, click the link down below, hit like, hit subscribe. And if you're interested in my team doing an audit for you, we are offering free audits of our 5-step accelerator system where we pinpoint the financial KPIs that you need to hit in order to scale your store, paired with a marketing strategy that aligns with your target audience and the problems you solve. Book a call down below and you will talk with me. I look forward to hearing from you. See you in the next video.